K2928 Sliding Casement Stay. It's designed and made by a foundry called Croft, and all of the products are made in England. And Croft are really known for their high quality architectural pieces, and this casement stay is definitely one of them. So it's really well made. It's made from solid brass, this one in particular, and it's been given a satin brass finish, the SB finish. And Croft really have mastered that beautiful satin look. It is available in lots of other different finishes, however, so have a wee look on our website to see what's available, and you can find one that's a perfect match for yourself. So this casement stay is available in two different sizes, so it's available in your small, which is 10 inches, and your large, which is 12 inches. This one that I have in my hand here is 10 inches, and that measurement is from the end of the casement stay just to the start of it here. So that full length there is 10 inches. So as you can see, it's a very good, decent sized casement stay. Now this one differs from your more traditional style ones. With your traditional styles, you can only open your window and keep it open at certain points because of the set holes in them. Whereas this one, it's got a special kind of lock to it, so it can be adjusted literally at any point that you want your window to be open at. So this little back end bit would be attached onto your actual window, and this would be onto your window sill. It does twist like so, so that would then be able to help with the open and the closing mechanism. And all you would simply do to lock your window in place would be just to turn this little knob like so at the top, and it holds it in place. So you can literally open and close your window at any point, which is a great feature to have. It's got a fantastic, beautiful design to it. So not only is it a very handy casement stay, it also will look fantastic as well. Especially when matched with other Croft window fasteners as well. So fantastic casement stay, definitely one worthwhile looking at. So there we have it, the K2928 Sliding Casement Stay.